This is Kyren Moisture Nature Shampoo, Treatment, Body Wash, and Body Lotion. In order to use shampoo, treatment, body wash, and body lotion used in the morning and evening as a gentle scent, we developed a Kyren's signature scent so that you can have a happy time every day. We used naturally derived surfactants that are also used in baby products. All ingredients have EWG first to second grade safe ingredients. It contains glycerin and shea butter ingredients to keep it moist for a long time.